Here we go, another exciting episode to learn how to use Lightroom. So first of all, we go up to the masks, top right here, click on that. And what we want to do is select the background, because the background is a bit dull. So we just select the background and then we just move these exposure up a bit. Play around with them how you want. You know, you'll get the best effects that you want all the way around here. Okay, and then we're going to go down a bit and just adjust here and here on the effects. Right, I want to create another mask because the headset isn't quite good enough, so we select a brush. We start brushing on this because it doesn't stand out quite enough. You could change the size and everything of the brush, but I'm just painting it here roughly just for this, just to show you. It doesn't really zing enough, the headset, it's just a dull grey thing. The mask is quite good on this as well. Just do it there. I'm not going to bother with the bits down to the headphones too much. Okay, just a bit there. Here and here. There we go. And you can see the mask in operation there. Right, just want to bring the blacks to the fore. You can see it already, it's changing. The shadows. And let's go down a bit and do a bit more effects. Clarity, love clarity, love clarity. Close that off, and that's immediately made the headphones just stand out a bit more. Okay, so on the general one, I've already adjusted these, but I'm just gonna once I've done the background, the headphones, this is the overall one. Just adjust these. Already adjusted them. This just foreground and the mask all at the same time. Don't want the shirt too whited out, blued out, whatever. Vibration up a bit. Get it back a bit, not too much. The table looks terrible. You could mask that if you wanted to. So that looks pretty good, to be honest with you. Now we're going to use this new feature in Lightroom called Denoise. So click on the Denoise here and let it do its stuff. Click enhance, and then if we just click on before it denoises and now,